The mobile tax clinics, an initiative that was established by the Swaziland Revenue Authority, where they reach out to business people to assist them with filing their income tax returns forms, got underway today. According to the Director of Communications at SRA, Vusi Dlamini, the initiative started at Manzini and it will go to other towns as well.
It is that time of the year again where the Swaziland Revenue Authority expects businesses in the country to submit their income tax returns. In a bid to assist businesses, in particular small and medium enterprises, SRA initiated mobile tax clinics where staff members of the authority visit different towns to assist business people with the filling of income tax returns forms. SRA's Director of Communication, Vusi Dlamini, says the concept of mobile tax clinics is a concept they implement every year, where they're basically going out to reach out to businesses, especially those they expect to submit income tax returns on the specified deadlines.
Now, the whole intention basically is to assist those different taxpayers in terms of showing them how they are supposed to be completing those income tax returns, and also trying to educate them and identifying to them some of the pitfalls that they will find that we discover as we try and look into their returns that they would have submitted. So we believe that these mobile clinics will help them submit not only in time but also make sure that the returns that they are submitting are correct.
Dlamini says they also received a request from representative organizations of the business community in the country to stagger some of the deadlines for submitting income tax returns.
What they have actually raised as a point is that you will find that some of their constituencies are unable to meet these deadlines because of obvious reasons, of course, that we have also considered. And as an organization, we have then made a decision that we will consider their recommendations, and hence we have staggered the deadlines for submission of income tax returns. We want to emphasize, though, that these mobile clinics are crucial, especially for those that are still expected to submit by the 31st of October. And this is predominantly your small and medium enterprises which are not registered for VAT. We will then be expecting that any person that is actually employed and yet they are also having another source of income, they should be submitting their returns by the 30th of November. And this is basically because they still have to wait for reconciliation of pay as you earn by their employers, so that they can have those certificates or proof that the tax has actually been paid. Hence, they will have to submit by 30th of November. Then the rest of the businesses, those that are big and registered for VAT, especially small and medium enterprises that are registered for VAT, they will be expected to be submitting returns by the 31st of December.
Dlamini added that as the mobile tax clinics have already started in Manzini, they will also visit other towns in the country where there are businesses, in particular those that are expected to submit their returns on the 31st of October 2017. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane in Manzini.